Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to access WordPress dashboard from Hostinger. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Hostinger account and you might end up at your home. What do you click? Just click on websites. After that, you will end up over here. Select the desired domain where you ever want to log in. I'm going with this one, Learning with Pros, and click on manage. Once you click on manage, you will end up over here. And at the top right corner, you will find admin panel. Just click on this option. It might take some time to load up, so wait for a while. So as you can see, we are at our WordPress admin. And most of the people want to access through Hostinger because they might have forgotten a WordPress password. So how you can change that? Just go to users, click on all users. You will see all the users you have on your WordPress website. Click on edit, scroll down until you see account management. Here you can set new password. And after that, make sure to click on update profile. That's it. This is all you need to know how to access WordPress dashboard from Hostinger. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.